My name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you more about the basic elements of VisionX. As you can see, I already have my customer screen open for my example. Let's take a look at the checkbox. The checkbox will be found at the bottom where my data model is. I simply drag and drop it to where I want. If I want to define a checkbox, I just need to click on the editing panel at the bottom, go to the pertinent field, and change it to yes, no. Here, as we can see, it has already been done. Of course, there are other options besides the checkbox. I could use a radio button if I wanted. Like with the checkbox, I can use it from the left-hand side, but then I would have to take care of everything myself. A simpler option would be to use the option Chooser. After putting it where I want it, I can bind it to, let's say, the city. Right now, the city is a combo box, which is just a list of values from which I can choose. This is essentially the same functionality that a radio button has, but it is presented in a different way. However, I will still choose it so you can see what it looks like. After binding, I can easily see all of the city options I can choose from. You can compare this to the combo box here that is also data bound. It really depends on how you want it to display your data. And that rounds out our introduction to some basic elements. Thank you so much for watching.